Alligator. Adam Alligator is an amazing animal. Bee. Boris the bee buzzes between big bright blooms. C. Cat. Clever catty catches carp in the creek. D. Dog. Dirty doggy Dan digs and dribbles from dawn till dusk every day. E. Elephant. Elegant Eliza Elephant eats every egg she encounters. F. Fox. Felicity Fox has fine, fancy fur and feeds on figs and flowers. G. Giraffe. Gary Giraffe is a great go-go dancer and very groovy. H. Hippo. At home, Henry Hippo is always happy to help. I. Iguana. Iguana Ike likes insects, ivy and ice cream. J. Jellyfish. Jiggly Jason Jellyfish jumps to jazz and drinks juice from a jug. K. Kangaroo. Kelly Kangaroo kicks ketchup bottles, kites, kettles and keys for kilometers. L. Lion. Lionel the lion loves lozenges, licking lollipops and lassoing litter with lady lizards. M. Monkey. Mickey Monkey makes mice do mathematics and meets millions of moths to marvel at the moon. N. Nightingale. Noonie Nightingale knits a nice new little nest of nuts in the night time. O. Owl. Oscar the Owl opens oysters and olives in the old oak orchard. P. Penguin. Polly Penguin pilfers pretty pets and paints pastels with a pencil. Q. Quail. Quincy Quail. Quaint little quack is quick, quiet, and quarrelsome. R. Raccoon. Rory Raccoon is really rowdy, but races roosters and rides at rodeos. S. Seal. Sally Seal is such a silly. She snacks on slippery socks and slides down sleepy seahorses. T. Turtle. Trevor Turtle tiptoes through tall trees and tap dances at tiger tea parties. U. Unicorn. Uncle Unicorn loves unopened umbrellas and ukuleles. V. Vulture. Vivian Vulture lives in a villa with a violet violin and a vinyl volleyball. W. Whale. Wally Whale would wear a wig and a waistcoat to the wedding of a wizard and a worm. X. X-ray fish. Max the X-ray fish fixes boxes and is excited to explore. Y. Yak. Yolanda Yak yodels and does yoga while eating yogurt and yawning. Z. Zebra. Xander Zebra lives in a zoo and eats 0 zucchinis. Happy learning!